Welcome back, guys. Yesterday the clan war was end, so now I received this, so I have to buy something from League shop. So hammer of building, it's instantly upgrade any building to the next level, so I have to brought this. Then research potion, and this builder potion is always a very good potion for clan. So here I am upgrading my lightning spell. It's 3-day 1 hour 40 minutes left, so I boost it. Also I boost my builders with builder potion. The Clash of Clans is not a game where you always attack and make changes in your clan. You have to use the other benefits or perks of this game to get a better clan or to get the satisfaction of a clan member. Thank you. Stay with us and please follow and subscribe.